Well, today started off a little bit cloudy like we've been seeing the past couple of days, but the only thing we saw today was a little sprinkle earlier, but that is going to change. We are going to get a big chunk of rain later this evening and into tomorrow, but for now, the clouds cleared out. You got some sunshine in your picture. Not too hot either. We only reached 82 degrees as of right now, but earlier today we did hit a high of 90, so these temperatures are still on the warm side. And another change is the dew point and the humidity have definitely increased, which means there is a lot more moisture in our area, and that's just coming in from the Gulf and also from the storm out from the west. But right now, temperatures all throughout. We have some areas seeing a much cooler trend up north because they did get more clouds than we have in Tallahassee, so we're still sitting at 82 over here, 81 over in Apalachicola along the coast, 84 in St. Marks. So just a bunch of warmer temperatures, but not as warm as we have been getting the past couple of days. And we're all going to change because this storm is going to be bringing in cooler temperatures. So we're used to these cold fronts, but just not this time of the year. And this cold front is actually really powerful. It brought some snow over to Denver, Colorado. But right now it's just pushing its way through, giving in a lot of rain and activity towards parts of Virginia. But these areas are also in its warning for tornado warning. So these areas are favorable to see a pop-up storm if anything possible. But a lot of these screens are just indicating that there's just flash flood warnings like there is down south. Just this area is favorable for flooding. We know here in Tallahassee that these are things we have to look out for, especially with our area, because flooding and rain do not go good with drivers down in Tallahassee. But right now you can see clouds starting to make their way more into our picture, and it looks like we're going to get rain, but as you take a closer look at that, it's actually way out towards the west of us. That's about a 40-minute, an hour, 2-hour drive from Tallahassee, so that has a good while before it makes its way towards us. But we're expecting that rain to make its way through eventually, giving us cooler temperatures for your weekend, but also pretty rainy day tomorrow for the most part of the day as we put this into motion again. But right now, this Futurecast is showing you then again, Tallahassee's in that clear bubble, and that rain chance that we were talking about with that front system just makes its way through by Thursday. Late afternoon, that's when things are going to start to clear on up and feel very pleasant outside. So it's going to be a treat. If you have any outdoor activities for this weekend, that's just a little scattered shower way out towards the west of us. But again, back to our forecast, things are going to start to clear on up by tomorrow late evening. But for tonight, temperature is not even reaching very low. We're just going to be in the mid 70s, and that's because there's a lot of mixing from that system way up north, and also there's a lot of cloud coverage not letting us drop any cooler than that. But here's the plus side. Tomorrow's only going to be the high 70s, and that's a change. We haven't really been seeing these 70s for the month of May or for any month in the past couple of weeks either. But this is a little cool down and a little treat from this storm system, so I'll take that any day. But right now, again, that 90% chances for your AM hours into the afternoon hours, and that's going to clear on out by your evening. But Friday, things are looking really great. We haven't had that low 80. That's going to be really cool and dry air. Not a lot of moisture either, but the rest of the week is very, very clear and looking great if you have any outdoor plans coming up.